Want your images to stop looking flat? Shadows and highlights are the secret. In this video, you will learn how to add realistic depth using simple shadow and light techniques. Let's see how to do that. Going into the main window, and I'm going to open this file. I have already created the composition and I have explained you how to do that in the previous tutorial. You can watch the tutorial by clicking the link in the description. So here is the layer structure. So you can see I have created all these cutouts and I have made this composition. So to add shadows and highlights, we have to create new layers below the main layer. For example, this is the sofa or chair below which I want to create a shadow effect. So I will create a layer below this one. This one is selected and above it a new layer will be created. So this is the layer on which I will create some strokes, and for that I will choose a brush, a soft round brush or any soft round brush will work, and we will choose a black color. Size you can choose opacity, hardness, and now we will try to add some shadow over here. You can decrease the brush size, decrease the hardness. Over here also we will add some shadow. Let's keep it above the rug so that we can create shadows over here also. You can increase the hardness to create more depth. Around this table also we have to create another layer below the carpet so that we can add some shadow below the carpet also. So I will select the flooring layer, and if I create a new layer, it will be created above the flooring layer and below the rug or carpet. So now this layer is the current layer and I will add some shadow over here. Around this planter also we can add, reducing the hardness and again adding some soft shadows over here, increasing the hardness and decreasing the brush size now, like this. So let's create a layer below the lamp and we will create some highlights using that layer. So this is the layer for the table lamp and I will create a layer below it. So I will choose this layer and click the add layer button and click on the new layer, and a new layer will be created, and we will use the same brush, soft round, and change our color to bright yellow. And with the current settings, in which the hardness is 9, opacity is 100 and the brush size is somewhere around 164, can bring down the size a little bit. Now we will create a stroke over here. Let's increase the hardness and decrease the brush size a little bit, and again add some strokes. Now I will decrease the hardness and increase the brush size. Again create some glow around the lamp like this. So this is the way you can add some highlights into your composition. So you now know how to import, cut, combine images replace backgrounds, and add realistic depth, all on your iPad using Photoshop. This is where your Photoshop skills start to feel powerful. Keep watching DesignGoRhythm. Bye bye.